Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be opening up what I can only assume is my July Ipsy. I did not get my June Ipsy. At first I thought it was just going to be delayed because shipping from the US and Canada back and forth seems to be really delayed right now. I think things are being held longer at the border just to make sure everything is safe. In my work, we send mail to the US, and much more so than usual. It's taking a long time to get there. But this one arrived, and I did purchase in here a Ipsy full-size extra, which I saw in the shipping label is in here. So this is July. So I am gonna have to go back through the process of letting them know I didn't get my June bag. So hopefully I will end up getting that. It's just going to be delayed. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't think I've been spoiled on this one. I think I've looked a couple times at the notification for my June bag, so one of the items in there I was spoiled on, but this one, I mean, I know what I ordered for myself, but I don't think I know anything else. So it's exciting. It's been a little while since I have gotten something in the mail. So let me show you first what I purchased for myself full size. And that is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Primer. I had a sample of this and I loved it so much that when I saw this come up, and I think their extras are like, what are they, like $12 or $15? Now that's US, so it did end up being like $20 when I converted it. But I still think it was a deal. I should probably check if that was a deal. I totally just like impulse bought it. But I should look up how much it is if I was to buy this through like Sephora here in Canada. So yes, if I was to buy this through Sephora here in Canada, it would have been just about $35 plus tax. As it was, this came to about $20. So I did get like a 30% savings by buying it through Ipsy. I am just super excited because, as I said, I did really love this. And this is interesting. In the little sample, it only had like little black beads in it. This one also seems to have, if it will focus, some larger black beans, not beans, black beads in there. And if you don't know those little beads, I mean, it's a little bit gimmicky, but they do burst and then so as you rub the primer in. But I just find that every time I use this primer, I had a really good makeup day. So I jumped on the chance to get a full size of it. And now let's get on to the actual bag. Oh, there is something outside of the bag today. So let's look at that first. It looks like it's gonna be face masks, which I enjoy. So yes, there are two face masks here. They're by the company Dr. Huang Beauty Lab. They're both vegan approved. One is nutritious and one is intense hydration. So the intense hydration is British Rose Hydrating Mask, which is good for rough skin, dryness, and tired skin. You can see that there. I hope it's focusing, I can't tell. And then the other side is a Shea Butter Nourishing Mask for extremely dry skin, oil moisture imbalance, or uneven skin texture. So there we go. I have mentioned before the kinds of things I like getting in these bags, and face masks are one of the things that I really enjoy because unlike other skincare, masks are one-off, so you sort of get a chance to see what they do. Okay, so what we have here is just a little pink bag. It has the word escape on it, so it's like a summer thing. It's not really my thing, although it's very cute. It has the little pull tab is a little airplane. But I can see that if you're traveling, this would be a good thing to keep maybe some of your more liquid products in because it is very plastic. So it seems like it would be good for, you know, if things might leak. So this feels like a smaller bag, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the card out and put it away. We have a little squeezy tube here, another skincare product perhaps. So what do we got? Okay, oh, interesting. So this is a product from Purlisse. I know, I have my light turned up, so it's a little hard to see, but it is a BB cream with SPF 30 in it. So this seems like a really great summer product. I'm curious about what it's gonna be like in terms of like color, or shade, I should say. This is, does it say what shade it is? Fair, so that should work for me, so let's see. I took out way too much. Yeah, I totally took out way too much. That actually has like some coverage for a BB cream. Feels pretty thick. Although I did put a lot on my hand. It does not really have a SPF smell to it. So yeah, I'm totally happy to test that out. I, as usual, am really loving very low coverage, so you can see like my freckles through, especially for the summertime kinds of products. And even though I would never rely on the SPF in a makeup product to be my only SPF, it can't hurt to layer it on top of like your base SPF. So that is awesome. What do we got next? How about did I only get 4 products? Okay, well, let's go with the squeezy tube. Okay, so we have something from the company REP, or REP, if I can turn it that way. I have used a mask from them before, and if I remember properly, I think I quite enjoyed it. This is a Phytocell Moisture Cica All-in-One Serum. Okay, so it is, I guess it's a moisturizing serum. It says it's a multifunction serum, helps even out the skin texture and boosts skin condition while providing instant hydration. Okay. So in the morning and night after cleansing, apply an appropriate amount to the entire face and lightly pat for better absorption. So it seems like it's a moisturizer, but more serum-y. Interesting. Don't mind giving it a try. Sometimes a little worried about mixing new skincare stuff in with my current stuff, but yeah, okay. I only have 1 product left. I'm gonna have to look at the card and see if one was missing. I'm gonna have lots of things to talk to Ipsy customer care about. But the last one here, okay, we've got a brow product from Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter. I'm curious to see what shade this is in. I would love it if it was just like clear. Is that a possibility? Oh, excellent. This invisible shaping and setting gel holds brow hairs in place and locks on makeup. So that's exactly what I want, because I have pretty thick brows, so I don't need to add extra volume to them. If anything, I'm usually just trying to get them to stay in place or have a little bit more shape. So I'm just gonna confirm, just open this up and look and see that it is indeed a clear brow gel. But if so, that is ideal. Yeah, it totally is. It's a clear gel, and interestingly, it looks like a pretty big wand, but when you turn it sideways, it's very flat there. So it does sort of seem like you could get in and have a little bit of control with it. So yeah, I mean, I'm a little wary about working a serum into my routine as far as skincare, but everything else I'm really excited about. However, I am curious about whether I was supposed to receive one more item. So the theme for July, this is July's bag, is take a break. Airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb, it's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? I don't actually see a list of the products there. Ipsy seems to be pretty spotty with whether they list the products or not, but just out of curiosity, I am gonna go and look at my Ipsy, notification for shipping, just to see, look at the product list and see. Okay, see what's inside. Oh, there's supposed to be a Luxie brush. And there is. It's just in the bag, this bag. So, okay. I have a ton of blending brushes from Luxie. The only thing that makes this one a little bit different, this is the Pack and Shade brush, is that it has a little cutout there, I guess, to make it more comfortable in your hand. Yeah, so that's cool. Again, I have a lot of brushes. So it's not something I get super excited about, but I also can't get mad at it. So in this, I'm most excited about the brow gel, which I think will be awesome, the BB cream, which I'm looking forward to trying out, and the face masks, which I can always use. So that is it for my Ipsy. I'd be curious to know if you get Ipsy, what you received in yours. Also, if you've had any problems with shipping or getting your bags or anything, especially if you're here in Canada, I'd be curious to know about that. Yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!